In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to navigate and what to click, so your contacts land in the right place without any confusion. Before we dive in, a quick prep tip. Make sure you have the right permissions to import data in your HubSpot account. And if you're bringing in a spreadsheet, it helps to have clear column headers like email, first name, and last name, with one contact per row. That simple housekeeping will make the process smoother. Start on your HubSpot home screen. This is your main dashboard where you can access everything you need. From here, move your cursor to the top navigation and hover over the CRM section. That hover opens up the area where all of your core records live, including contacts, companies, deals, and more. We're focusing on contacts, so go ahead and click Contacts to open the Contacts index. On the Contacts page, look for the button that says Add Contacts. This is your entry point to creating or importing new people into your database. Click Add Contacts and you'll see a few choices. Since we're bringing in multiple people at once, choose Import. That tells HubSpot you want to upload or connect data rather than add a single record manually. You'll land on the Import Options screen. Here, HubSpot gives you three clear paths. Choose Import Data if you have a file, such as a CSV or Excel sheet, saved on your computer. This is the most common route when you already have a list exported from another tool or a spreadsheet you've prepared. Select. Connect an app if your contacts live in another platform and you want HubSpot to sync with it directly. This option is great for keeping records up to date automatically without repeated file uploads. Finally, pick Transfer Data if you're moving information from another HubSpot portal or a supported system where HubSpot can help migrate the structure and records for you. Whichever path you choose, HubSpot will guide you through the remaining prompts. If you're importing a file, you'll be asked to upload it, review how your columns match HubSpot properties, and confirm before anything is created. Using a unique identifier like email helps prevent duplicates. If you connect an app, you'll confirm permissions and select which objects and fields to sync. And if you transfer data, you'll follow the on-screen setup so the right records move over cleanly. That's it. You've navigated from your home screen into CRM to Contacts, selected Add Contacts, chosen Import, and picked the import method that fits your situation. Take a moment after the import to spot check a few records, and you're ready to go.